Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we updated our post, right? So let's go to the edit and update. Click on this update and we successfully updated this post. Now the time is to update the post without id parameter, right? So let's go to the web.php file and here we are accepting an id. So how can we update without any id? So let's remove this from this parameter and let's go to this edit plate, and we need to also remove it from there because we are submitting to this with an id. So remove this and make this just post dot update without any parameter. And how we can update this? So in the edit form we are having this fields like title and stuff like that. So here we need to add a hidden field, right? It should be hidden, and the name would be it's the post id, and the value would be, here is a value, and this would be post, oops, make this smaller, and the post id. We can submit this post id and we will get this id in the controller, right? So let's go here, go to the controller, and here we can fetch this id. So let me find this post id, and the post id exists in this request, right? Post id, and I save them into the variable post id, and then I need to return this post id, right? You can name this like camel case. You can make this camel case, save this one, and check that we are getting the id or not. So click on this edit, update, and too few argument to pass to this update. Okay, why it says? Because we did not remove this from this controller, right? So we need to remove it from there, and then now we are getting the only one, right? So let me comment this for now. I will explain that why I commented this, and yes, now we are getting this id. So make this at the top, oops, not there, stop, and uncomment this, right? Now we are getting this post id. So I can pass to this post find, and let's return it again. It's successfully working. So let me remove this from there or give it refresh, and our route is successfully working. So let me change this to 7 to php post and update this. Okay, and this 7 is updated with the php post. So we can we did this without any parameter, right? So that is the way. Thank you, bye bye.